Hi guys, welcome to my channel. You'll learn a lot of new and advanced PowerPoint animation tips from this channel. So make sure to subscribe my channel and press bell icon. And if you enjoy the video, like it and share as much as you can. That will be the biggest support and motivation for me to do more animated video with PowerPoint. So let's start. Today we're going to create an animated YouTube subscribe button and bell icon just using PowerPoint. It'll be something like this. So I'm going to create a new slide pressing Ctrl M, okay, and remove this giant text box. Our YouTube subscribe button is gonna like this, so I'll insert a little rectangle for the button. Yeah, it'll great. We don't need outline, and the color would be red. Then I'm gonna add a text box into this. Subscribe. The text need to be bold and a little bit bigger. 24 is perfect. So this is our main subscribe button. We need another button like this. I'm gonna press and hold Ctrl and drag and drop this to get a clone. I'll change the text to subscribed, and I'm gonna change the font color to this, the background color to something like this. Perfect. Then I'm gonna hide this gray subscribe button just underneath the main button. So I have to make gray button send to back. I'll drag our main subscribe button on top of that, then placing it. Okay, now we need to create a circle for our bell icon. I'm creating this circle pressing shift. Cool. This is our circle. We don't need outline, and the fill color would be this. Great. Then we need our bell icon and little mouse point icon. I'm gonna go ahead and copy those icons from our main animation. Okay, copy that, Control C, and then pasting Control V. Remove all these previous animations. Great. I'll place our main bell icon here and the ringing bell icon on top of that. Perfect. Okay, our mouse pointer will be placed here. I'm gonna select all and align it to the center. Perfect. So the design has been done, and we are going to go ahead and animate the whole thing. So guys, first I have to display this mouse pointer here. What I'm going to do is click on it and add animation and click fade. So it'll fade in our mouse icon here. Then I'm going to remove this red subscribe button. Remember, we have placed our gray subscribe button just underneath the red button. Then after disappearing this, the gray button will display. So I'm gonna hide this button, click on this button and add animation, then press disappear. Let's check our animation so far. Great. Then we have to move our mouse pointer to here. What I'm gonna do is press again, add animation, and add line animation. The effect will be to right, just like that. We'll edit the length here. Okay, cool. Let's check so far our animation. Let's make our last animation a bit quicker. 1 second will be perfect. Cool. Then I have to show this little bell icon. I'll make it appear here. Cool. Then we have to display that little ripple effect for this circle. First of all, I'm gonna add zoom effect. And then again I'm adding this shape effect. Cool. And now I'm reducing the length. This one also. Let's play it again. Clicked. So then we have to use the command not on click but after previous. So finally we will hide this mouse pointer from here. What we have to do is click on it and add animation, then fade. That will be the final animation, and I will add after previous for this as well. Let's check our final result. Great. So I'm hoping this video will be helpful to all you guys. If you enjoyed the video, please like it, share it as much as you can, subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to get new video alerts. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.